Hey beautiful people, so you have school tomorrow and you want to look fresh, confident and glowing without spending a single rupee or dollar? Well, you are in the right place. Today I am sharing my complete free before school glow up routine that will make you look 10 times more beautiful in just minutes. No expensive products, no complicated steps, just pure, simple trick you can start using from tomorrow morning. Let's glow up together. Part 1, Morning Face Refresh. First thing in the morning, forget the phone. Go to the sink and splash your face with cold water. Not lukewarm, not hot. Cold. Why? It tightens pores, reduces puffiness and makes you look instantly awake. If you have green tea or rose water at home, soak a cotton pad and swipe it across your face. Instant freshness and glow. No products? No problem. Even cold water alone works like magic. Part 2, Glow from inside. The second step is feeding your skin from the inside. Right after you wake up, drink a glass of water. If you can squeeze a little lemon in it, this helps brighten your skin over time. Then eat something small but powerful. Maybe a banana, apple or a few soaked almonds. These are full of vitamins that make your skin glow naturally. Part 3, Hair Fix Without Products. Hair can make or break your look, even in school. Here's my quick trick. Take a tiny drop of coconut oil, rub it in your palms and smooth it over your flyaways. Don't use too much, just enough to tempt frizz. If your hair looks flat, flip it upside down. Shake it gently and flip back. Instant volume. You can even do a quick braid or ponytail to keep it neat all day. Part 4, Natural Face Glow Without Makeup. Now let's give your face a healthy glow without breaking school rules. Pinch your cheeks lightly for a natural blush. If you have beetroot juice or tinted lip balm, dab a little on your lips for a soft tint. Then brush your eyebrows upward. It makes your eyes look bigger and your face more lifted. Part 5, Outfit and Posture. You don't need new clothes to look stylish. Just make sure they are clean and wrinkle free. Even the simplest t-shirt looks premium when ironed. And posture is everything. Stand with your shoulder back and your head slightly up. People will instantly see you as more confident and attractive. Part 6, Smell Fresh Without Perfume. No perfume? No problem. Take a little vanilla essence or talcum powder and dab it lightly on your wrist and behind your ears. It gives you a soft, pleasant scent all day. Perfect for school. Part 7, Mindset Glow. The last secret, your energy. Smile before you leave home. It makes you instantly more attractive. Walk at a steady pace, not rushing. People are drawn to calm, confident energy. And remember, looking beautiful is not just about your face, it's the way you carry yourself. So, there you have it, my full free before school glow up routine. These tips cost zero money but give 100% results. If you try this tomorrow, I promise you will notice a difference in how you feel and how people react to you. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend and subscribe for more glow up and confidence tips. Remember, beauty starts from the inside, but these small steps help you shine on the outside too. Stay glowing, stay confident and I will see you in my next video. Bye.